Hey fam, I'm back. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where I do mainly budget videos, sip and sip videos, log videos, and other random videos thrown in here and there. In today's video, we will go over last week's budget as well as this week's budget. So if you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's see how I did last week. And I can tell you that I didn't do as well as I usually do, but I'm not mad at it at all. So let's get started. In our budget from June the 11th through the 17th, in the expense category, I budgeted $298.07 for our cable, $180 for our car insurance, $48.49 for home alarm, $16.15 for Audible, $14.03 for Amazon Prime, and $13.99 for Netflix. That came up to $570.73. In our actual category, our cable was $266.19, which was a difference of $31.88. Our car insurance was $164.70, which was a difference of $15.30. $48.49 for our home alarm, $16.15 for our Audible, $14.03 for Amazon Prime, and $13.99 for Netflix. That came up to a total of $523.55, which was a difference of $47.18. In our cash envelopes, I budgeted $110 for lunch, $85 for groceries, $80 for gas, $80 for eating out, $60 for personal, $20 for miscellaneous, and $20 for household. That came up to $455. In our actual category, I did not give us lunch because we were on vacation, of course. I didn't purchase grocery because we were on vacation. I left the $80 in our account so that we'd be prepared for work this week. I didn't give us anything for eating out. I gave us $360 for personal. That was $30 a piece plus $150 each. Nothing in miscellaneous and nothing in household. That came up to $440, which was a difference of $15. In our sinking funds, I budgeted $220. And in our savings challenges, I budgeted $50. That came up to $270. And that is exactly what we put in. In our income versus our expenses, I estimate our income to be $1,426.28, minus the expenses of $570.73, minus the cash envelopes of $455, minus the sinking funds of $220, minus the savings challenge of $50, and minus the carryover of $100. That leaves a balance of $30.55. In our actual category, our income was $1,426.28, minus the expenses of $523.44, which was a difference of $47.18, minus the cash envelopes of $440, which was a difference of $15, minus the sinking funds of $220, minus the savings challenge of $50, and minus the carryover of $100. That came up to a total of $92.73, which was a difference of $62.18. That will stay in the bank. That will go toward my husband's procedure that he has to have Wednesday. In our budget from June the 18th through the 24th, in our expense category, I budgeted $560 for our phone bill and $369.89 for our car payment. That come up to $929.89. In our cash envelopes, I budgeted $110 for lunch, $85 for groceries, $80 for gas, $80 for eating out, $60 for personal, $20 for miscellaneous, and $20 for household. That came up to $455. In our sinking fund, I budgeted $220. And in our savings challenges, I budgeted $50. They came up to $270. In our income versus our expenses, I estimate our income to be $1,668.53, minus the expense of $929.89, minus the cash envelopes of $455, minus the sinking fund of $220, and minus the cash envelopes of $50. That left a balance of $13.64. So fam, as you can see, we did not save as much as we usually do, which I am not mad at because we did enjoy ourselves on our vacation. And I will have a sit down video coming soon on how our vacation went. I did save some money on our vacation. The total amount, I still am not sure because I still have some things that are coming out. But what's going to happen to the vacation money is some of it will go in debt snowball. Some of it will go toward my husband's procedure. That is Wednesday. And after that, I will decide where the rest is going to go if there is anything left. So that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, fam.